Which would you choose, red or blue? What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're drawing the front man from the Squid Game. Let's begin in the center of our page with the top edge of the eyes. We leave a gap in the center. We start on the left, draw a straight angled line, going up and out. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up and out towards the same height. Now from here, we go straight out towards the side of the eye. And then from the outside, angle the eyes coming down and in. Let's flatten off the bottom, coming in. And we'll pull that up and in towards the inside. Let's fill the eyes in black. Now we're going to connect the inside point of the eyes with a straight line. Let's go to the top corners of the eye, angle up and out. And we'll connect the top with a straight line going across the center of the head. Now from the inside of the eye, we're going to step in and draw two angled lines. One going up and out towards the left, and one going up and out towards the right. Now we're going to draw the outside edge of the nose, starting on the inside of the left eye, angle down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Connect these 2 points with a straight line. And then from the outside corner of the nose, angle down and in. And we'll close off the bottom. Let's go back up to the top on the left, angle down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the outside of the nose, we're going to angle this down and out towards the corners of the mouth. And then we'll work our way in. From the left, angle up and in. And then we'll pull this down and in towards the middle. Now let's draw on the upper lip. Starting from the left, angle up and in. And we'll pull this down and in towards the middle. Now we're going to draw on the lower lip. Starting back on the left, draw a straight line coming in. And we'll pull this down and in towards the center. Now from the corners of the mouth, we're going to angle this down and in towards the chin. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to take these two corners, angle up and in underneath the mouth. Let's go back up to the top of the head. We're going to angle this out and then down on both sides. And we'll connect this line to the bottom of the eye with a straight line. Now we're going to bring the head coming down and in towards the jaw. Starting back on the left, angle down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's pull this back in towards the bottom corner of the chin. Now we're going to add those facets inside the face. Let's start from the outside of the nose. We're going to angle this up and out towards the eye. Do the same thing on the right. And then from that same point, angle this down and out towards the side of the head. And I'll connect this line back towards the side of the nose with a straight angled line. Let's go back to the outside. We're going to angle this down and in towards the corners of the mouth. Now let's go back up and finish off the top of the mask. Starting back on the left, go straight up towards the top. Do the same thing on the right. And then from here, angle up and in. Let's pull this straight down to right about there. Now from the bottom of this line, we're going to angle this down and out towards the side of the head. Go back to the inside, angle this down and in. Now you want to connect these 2 points with a straight line, but we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start with the left. Coming in, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now from these 2 points, angle up and in towards the center. Now from these 2 top points, draw a straight line going across. Let's go to that center point, draw a straight line coming down, and then from the sides, angle this down and in. Now from here, we're going to draw the inside edge of the hood. From that center point, let's step up, curve this out, and then down towards the side, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side, curve this out, and then down. Let's curve the bottom edge of the hood coming down and then in, starting on the left. Coming down underneath the head, just pull that in to right about there, and we'll do the same thing on the right. From the inside, angle down and in with a straight line, close off the bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the outside of the hood. Let's start on the left. We're going to add a seam going up and out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to connect the top with a slight curve going up and then down. Let's go back up to the top left. We're going to curve the outside going out. I'm just going to taper this down towards the bottom, to right about there. Let's close off the bottom of the hood. Starting back on the left, and follow that same curve coming down and then in. Let's go back and fill the inside of the hood in black. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the coat. On the left side, we're going to step down, curve the body, going out, and then down towards the bottom of the coat. Move over towards the right, bend this out, and then down towards the same height. Now we want to bend the bottom of the coat coming down and in, leaving a gap in the center. So let's start with the left. Coming down and in, do the same thing on the right. Let's go up to the top left side of the collar. Curve this down and then bend that out towards the right. Go to the left side, angle up and in. Now from here, we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start from the side of the body, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb. Let's close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start underneath the thumb, curve the first finger, coming down and then up around that bracket. Step down towards the side, go out and then up. And then the third finger, we go out, up, and then bend the arm coming in underneath the head. Now we're going to separate the coat from the hand. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve the sleeve going up and then out. And now we'll tuck the legs in underneath the coat, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side, curve the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. Let's curve this up We'll just bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And we'll curve the shoe going back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's close the outside of the leg. From the bottom corner of the coat, we're going to step in, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. I'm also going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across on both sides. And finally, we'll draw the back edge of the coat, starting on the inside on the left, draw a straight line going across. And that's pretty much it. There's the front man from the Squid Game. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.